So this is our challenge. One of us has to get in trouble. One of us has to get in trouble. Johnny. Johnny's gonna be. You have to make the noise so loud that you're gonna get in trouble. No. My name is Jeff. What?
Wait, who are you yelling at?
Take one more diddly darn step of that. Diddly darn Lana. Diddly darn snap your neck. So it's Johnny. Me, Brandon. Hi.